What if I told you that you could boost your brain power without lifting a single finger? No, it's not a magic pill, it's sleep. And yes, drooling on your pillow might actually make you smarter. But wait, before you nap your way to genius status, let's break down exactly how sleep supercharges your brain. First up, why does your brain love sleep so much? Well, during sleep, your brain is like a sponge, absorbing and processing all the information you've gathered throughout the day. Think of it like your brain is organizing a chaotic desk into neat, labeled folders. When you get enough sleep, your brain lights up like a light bulb, ready to tackle the day's challenges. But without sleep, your brain can become sluggish, like a computer running on outdated software. Alright, let's dive into the stages of sleep and how they boost memory. Sleep isn't just one long, dreamy stretch, it's made up of cycles, including deep sleep and REM sleep. During deep sleep, your brain is doing some serious housekeeping, like a librarian sorting and storing memories in the right places. Then, in REM sleep, your brain gets creative, connecting the dots and making sense of all the information. It's like your brain's own version of a digital filing system. Now, what happens if you don't get enough sleep? Spoiler alert, it's not pretty. Lack of sleep can lead to forgetfulness, poor focus, and slower reaction times. Imagine your brain on 8 hours of sleep, full bars on Wi-Fi. Now picture it on 3 hours. Yep, that's dial-up internet. Not exactly what you need to ace that exam or remember where you left your keys, right? But here's a cool hack: power naps and proper sleep schedules can seriously supercharge your learning. A 20-minute power nap can boost your alertness, while a full sleep cycle, about 90 minutes, can enhance memory and creativity. And here's a fun fact: the optimal sleep duration is around 7 to 9 hours for most adults. So set that bedtime alarm and stick to it. So, the next time someone says, "Why are you sleeping so much?" just tell them, "I'm not sleeping, I'm upgrading my brain." Your brain deserves the best, and giving it enough rest is the key to unlocking its full potential. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more brain-boosting tips. And remember, your brain needs ZZs to get A's. Thanks for watching and sweet dreams.